Them a talk about them a selector, DJ Kenny, enough for them a reflector.
I do it from about 10 years now, from cassette days still. This is a brand new mix named Face Off where I run the road right now. I used to play a sound down from my block named Love Rock Sound. I used to make cassette every day until I link up with Jam One Sound. And from Jam One Sound I link me to Cassette Ninja, with the Fire Links. Music we say, when I play an artist, we play music all about the mixing, how the next song come in with the next song. Bossman, taxi man, every man of the thing, all of the bar them have the thing them. People come buy them, you see, people get them free too. Most time you don't know the producer them and the artist them might give you a strength on it, contribute to the blank them, you know, to the designing of the labels. Buy some blank, you may burn them at daytime, and print back the label them. You don't know how conquer the road. You will make a selector bigger than the next one. The more work you put out and from a good work, good product, people are going to take on to it. You see, even if something not 100%, they will understand and say, well, alright, then put out something. Champion, I'm out every night to try to get the new thing them before them even go up on the internet. When they're studio night and bleach, wait on the song them. Them things are the street. See, media personnel people don't really know about them things. We conquer the street first. Because you don't know the media people, they want to take from the street and bring it to the radio. So we just deal with street straight. We say street.
Can you shell the fucking?